Good day once again. We want to continue our class on resolving a problem on an inclined plane where you'll be asked to calculate the acceleration on this body, giving an angle 30 degrees, 20 kilogram as the weight of the body. If a body of mass 20 kilograms is placed on it, and we have a body that is hanging with the tension. But this question, they ask us to the acceleration of the system above. You are asked to calculate only the acceleration. The reason why I've given this question is that we need to simplify some problems with our students so that the issue of resolving the body across the body for 20 kilogram and across the body for 30 kilogram will not be cumbersome. So I've developed a formula for this body, and I want to use it to solve this problem. So the acceleration of this body, after my careful analysis, the acceleration is given by the formula m. Let's call, before I solve, let's call this body m1. Let's call this body m2. So if I call the masses as requested, so m1 sine theta minus m2 over m1 plus m2g. So this is the formula I came up with for resolving this body. So the acceleration will now be given as our m1 is 20 kilograms. We say 20 times sine. Our angle is 30 degrees. We have 30 degrees. Our m2 is 30. We say 30 over. Our m1 is 20 plus 30. Everything. Our acceleration due to gravity, g, is always 10. Acceleration due to gravity is always 10. So g is 10. So we have acceleration. Sine 30 in trigonometry is half, or 0.5. We have 20 times 0.5 minus 30. 20 plus 30 is 50. We have times 10. So we have half of 20, 0.5 means half. Half of 20 is 10 minus 30 over 50 times 10. So that will give you 10 minus 30. 10 minus 30 is minus 20 times 10 over 50. So 10 here 1, 10 in 50, 5. 5 here 1, 5 in 24. By God minus 4 meter per second squared. Because I'm the one that introduced this formula in order not to confuse my students. So once they get the acceleration to be minus 4, since it's an OBJ question, they can conclude that acceleration is 4 meter per second squared. And that will give you 4. See you in my next video. Bye.